Hi everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to insert the CSS code in HTML file. For that, open VS Code, adjust the size of the VS Code window and open Chrome browser along the side. This is the work we have done so far in index.html. Here I'm going to add comments by using angle bracket, exclamation mark and double dash, and the closing one is double dash and then angle bracket. These are the non-executable line, and here we are going to know that how to add the CSS code in HTML file by using the three methods. The first one is inline, second is internal, and third one is external style. Now let me tell you how to do the inline CSS code. For that you have to come out of the comment tags. Let's change the color of the heading. For that, go to the heading tag. The syntax is you have to write the style keyword, equal sign and then double quotes. Write the property name, here color, and I'm going to go for crimson. Before adding the next property, place a semicolon. Then next property, I'm going to align my text or my heading in center. For that, text align center. Now I'm going to add the paragraph tag by using P. For random writing, write lorem and press enter or tab key. Let's beautify the P tag. Go to the starting tag of P. Here I'm going to change the color of the paragraph to blue. Its font size to extra large. Text align center. Now I'm going to apply the border to the paragraph. 5 pixel black and solid. 3 values of the same attribute together without any semicolon in between. Now I'm going to make the copy of this paragraph. Let's change the values, not the attributes. Paragraph color to purple. Font size large, not extra large this time. Text align center, and border is 10 pixel magenta solid. The next thing is padding. It's the space between the border and the text. I'm going to add padding in the first paragraph 5 pixel and in the second one 10 pixel. Check out the output. So the syntax that is followed to write the inline CSS code is element, then style keyword, equal sign, and within the double quotes we are going to write the property and its value. Either it is h1 or paragraph element or any other. Now it's time to learn the inline style, how to do the inline CSS code. For that you have to go to the head section, and here we are going to add the style tag. The inline style has two benefits. The one is we don't have to write the code repeatedly for each element. Second is the code written once can be used multiple times. Here I'm going to write the h1 element, and within the curly brackets I'm going to write the properties I want to change. The first one is the color crimson, and the second one is text align center. This heading 1 styling can be used with all h1 elements in the website. Now I'm going to format the p tag. For that, I have just copied the text from the previous paragraph tag. Within the curly braces, I'm going to paste the text which I have just copied. We don't need the style keyword here, and no need of double quotes, just the properties and the values. Color blue, font size extra large, text align center, border 5 pixel navy solid, padding 5 pixels. I'm going to remove the style code written in paragraph 1 and 2 previously. It doesn't make any difference if you write same or different styles here. The style written in the head tag will be applied to all the paragraphs within the website. If you want different styling for each paragraph, then you have to apply ID, paragraph ID. Here I am going to write P1 for paragraph 1 and P2 for paragraph 2. The IDs can be called through the hash sign hash P1 for the paragraph 1 settings and hash P2 for the paragraph 2 settings. For inline style code, we are going to follow the syntax. Within the head tag, we are going to add the style tag, and within the style tag, we give the selector property and value, where selector is the element, either it is h1 or p or any other. Now let's learn external CSS coding. For that you have to create a separate file with extension .css, and we are going to add it later with a link tag inside the HTML file. So here I'm going to add a new file with the name style.css. You can check the logo of both files, the HTML and the CSS. These are quite different. I'm going to copy the code written in the head section inside the style tag, and I'm going to paste it in my CSS file, that is style.css. Now I'm going to link up that file with my HTML file with the help of link tag, and then rel stands for relation equal sign double quotes. I'm going to tell the type this is style sheet, then hyperlink reference to the actual file style.css. Now every change in the style sheet would be rendered by the browser. For example, change of the color of the paragraph. This one is not good. Let me apply the green one. Your queries are more than welcome in the comment box. Do ask me and I will reply you soon. Most videos are coming soon to the CSS series. Stay tuned.